Many people ask you how you come back from trauma, and I would have to say, when I look back at it, I ended up trapping this negative energy within me. But I definitely believe that that negative energy blocked the flow of energy through my being and made me ill. The most devastating thing is realizing that everything that I thought would make me happy didn't. And so I started to go and look at myself and say, well, where does happiness come from then? And I went to Safe Place, and Safe Place gave me this list right away that showed me red flags for relationships. I really think they should give that to us like in 8th grade, but anyway. And I started to look at myself in the mirror, actually, and say, what are the tendencies that were in me that allowed me to wear blinders and put myself in these shoes? I share this with you today, publicly, and decided to write my book because I want each of you to be the light. We all make choices every single day. We all come through those decisions and suppress things that we don't want to know the truth of sometimes. Maybe because we're afraid, maybe because we don't want to forgive. I believe that each of us have the power to be the light. I believe that you can absolutely make a decision right now, today, to move forward, uncover the beautiful, radiant, incredible soul that lives within your physical being. So I invite all of you to uncover your beauty, go on a quest, and discover your story. Thank you.
Don't miss the chance to witness Nicole Martin at the World Women Forum, Las Vegas chapter, on November 1st and 2nd, 2023. Join us in celebrating empowerment, leadership, and the incredible impact women are making in the world.